Our understanding of the cosmos has never been static. It is a fluid, evolving narrative that fractures and transforms with every technological leap and observational breakthrough. In the early 20th century, humanity believed the Milky Way constituted the entirety of reality. This worldview was shattered during the 1920s when Edwin Hubble, utilizing the Mount Wilson Observatory, measured Cepheid variable stars in distant spiral nebulae like Andromeda. Hubble proved these were independent galaxies millions of light-years away, and by analyzing their spectral redshifts, revealed that the universe is expanding. His initial calculations estimated the age of the universe at merely 2 to 3 billion years, a revolutionary figure, yet paradoxically younger than Earth's oldest rocks. Over the subsequent century, satellite observatories including COBE, WMAP, and the Planck satellite mapped the cosmic microwave background radiation, the thermal echo of the Big Bang. Combined with precise measurements of stellar evolution in globular clusters, modern cosmology has refined the age of the universe to approximately 13.8 billion years. This precision was tested by the Methuselah star, HD 140283, located 200 light-years away. Initial models calculated an astonishing age of over 14.5 billion years, creating a crisis where a star appeared older than spacetime itself. Revised parallax data from the Hubble Space Telescope and refined stellar physics brought its age to around 13.7 billion years, harmonizing stellar astrophysics with cosmic expansion. To grasp this scale, astronomers project cosmic time onto Carl Sagan's cosmic calendar, compressing 13.8 billion years into a single year. The Big Bang occurs on January 1, Earth forms in mid-September, and all of recorded human history unfolds in the final 10 seconds before midnight on December 31. Even within the Milky Way, fundamental mysteries continue to challenge established paradigms of gravitational physics. For decades, stars at the outer edges of spiral galaxies posed an anomaly. Under classical gravity, outer stars should orbit much slower than core stars. Instead, flat rotation curves indicated that an invisible halo of dark matter, a non-baryonic substance that neither absorbs nor emits light, exerts a dominant gravitational pull holding galaxies together. However, high-precision astrometric data from the European Space Agency's Gaia mission, which mapped the positions and velocities of nearly 2 billion stars, has complicated this picture. Gaia's stellar tracking reveals that the total mass of the Milky Way may be significantly lower than previously estimated, dropping from older estimates of 1.5 trillion solar masses down to approximately 0.8 to 1.1 trillion solar masses. This reduction directly alters dark matter distribution profiles, suggesting galactic dynamics are far more complex than standard models assume. Beyond our galaxy, astronomers observing large-scale cosmic structure have identified dark flow, where vast galaxy clusters drift coherently at immense speeds toward a region between Centaurus and Vela. This motion cannot be explained by visible mass in the observable universe, hinting at unseen structures exerting a pull beyond our cosmic horizon. These anomalies underscore a humbling reality: visible baryonic matter, comprising stars, planets, and living beings, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% consists of dark matter, roughly 27%, acting as gravitational scaffolding, and dark energy, roughly 68%, a repulsive force driving the accelerated expansion of space. Beyond our local region, our view into cosmic history has been transformed by space telescopes capable of capturing light that has traveled for over 13 billion years. As light propagates across an expanding universe, its wavelengths stretch into the infrared spectrum, a phenomenon known as cosmological redshift. Modern observatories bypass dust clouds to capture faint signals from proto-galaxies that formed in the deep cosmic dawn, just a few hundred million years after the Big Bang. Classical models predicted that galaxy assembly was a slow, hierarchical process where tiny star clusters gradually merged over billions of years. However, recent observational breakthroughs have severely challenged this paradigm by uncovering an abundance of massive, highly organized galaxies existing at extreme redshifts, when the universe was less than 500 million years old. These ancient systems display surprisingly mature features, including pronounced central bulges, spiral structures, and high chemical enrichments of heavy elements like oxygen and iron. To analyze these extreme objects, astronomers rely on quantitative spectroscopy, dispersing light into spectral lines to identify chemical fingerprints, temperatures, and recession velocities. Spectroscopic measurements reveal that star formation rates in the early universe were orders of magnitude more efficient than imagined, or that primordial supermassive black holes grew rapidly at the centers of young galaxies, producing intense radiation. This revolution in early galactic evolution forces theoretical astrophysicists to re-evaluate fundamental assumptions regarding star formation efficiency and cosmic structure growth. Simultaneously, the search for exoplanets orbiting distant stars has shifted from speculative theory to a quantitative observational science. 30 years ago, astronomers knew of no planets outside our solar system. Today, space surveys like NASA's Kepler and TESS have confirmed over 5,000 exoplanets, revealing an astounding architectural diversity. These include hot Jupiters tidally locked to their host stars, icy mini-Neptunes, and rocky super-Earths in the circumstellar habitable zone where liquid water can exist. Modern astronomers utilize transmission spectroscopy during planetary transits, analyzing starlight filtering through an exoplanet's atmosphere to identify chemical constituents. A prime example is WASP 96b, a gas giant 1,150 light-years away in Phoenix. High-precision measurements of WASP 96b revealed clear spectral signatures of water vapor, alongside clouds and haze, proving that complex organic building blocks are widespread across galactic environments. In our solar system, Titan, with its dense nitrogen atmosphere, hydrocarbon weather cycles, and methane lakes, further shows that prebiotic chemistry thrives under extreme conditions. The realization that atmospheric chemistry and habitable environments are abundant reinvigorates the search for biosignatures. It addresses the classic Fermi paradox, the contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact, prompting theoretical considerations like the multiverse hypothesis in quantum mechanics and inflation, which suggest our observable horizon may be one domain among an infinite landscape of universes. This ongoing evolution in cosmological understanding reinforces a crucial truth: scientific knowledge is inherently provisional, continually refined through empirical testing and theoretical adaptation. A prominent example is the unresolved Hubble tension, a statistical discrepancy between cosmic expansion rate measurements derived from the early universe via the cosmic microwave background and local universe measurements using supernovae and Cepheid variables. When such anomalies arise, astrophysicists re-examine core assumptions, exploring frameworks like modified Newtonian dynamics, decaying dark matter, or time-varying dark energy. Reflecting upon the cosmic calendar, humanity's brief presence in the final seconds of December 31st underscores our unique position. Despite our fleeting existence on a small, pale blue dot, we have developed the mathematical tools and observational technologies capable of reconstructing the 13.8 billion-year history of spacetime. The realization that visible matter comprises less than 5% of reality serves not as a defeat, but as an invitation to explore the dark cosmos. As advanced observatories, space telescopes, and gravitational wave detectors probe deep space, every answer brings forth new, profound questions regarding gravity, structure, and reality. The universe does not become smaller or simpler as our instruments advance. It grows richer, deeper, and more mysterious, constantly reminding us that science is an open-ended journey into the unknown.